Being able to use code is one of the highest leverage skills that you can learn. It gives you the opportunity to earn more money, build digital products and apps that you can sell, and just be way more capable in today's world. The problem is, coding is hard. But in the last 90 days, tools like ChatGPT, Cursor, and Claude from Anthropic have improved so much that it's become incredibly easy for anybody to build anything. Yes, anybody, including you. There are thousands of examples all over YouTube and X of people who have never written a line of code creating websites, creating web apps, beautiful mobile apps that they're turning into successful businesses. I bumped into a friend of mine that I haven't spoken to in a while, and he asked me what I've been up to, and I couldn't keep my enthusiasm in. Dude, I've been building, I've been heads down building AI apps, web apps, websites, and he knows that I'm not a very good coder, so the only question he had was, how do I start? So if you watch this video until the absolute end, you're gonna go from I've never written a line of code to I'm able to build anything. So let's get started. Okay, to start, you need to realize that your goal is not to learn how to code, but learn how to build. And what I mean by that is that your focus isn't on a specific language or framework. Your goal is to just use AI to build the best possible tool that you can. If you were to learn Python over the next 12 months and you tried really hard, even in 12 months, you wouldn't be as good as one of the dumbest available models. And in the next 12 months, these AIs are going to get even better. There's literally no point of learning how to code through traditional means today. You have to use AI. So first thing that we got to do is we got to set up our computer so that we can actually start building. The first tool that we're going to need is called Conda. This is a tool that just organizes your project files. It's a best practice to have. Then you're going to need to download Python and Node. These are coding languages. And then Cursor, which is the actual AI tool. And then VO and GitHub. Search Conda. Click download Conda distribution. Put in your email. Hit submit. Okay, you're gonna get an email that looks just like this. Click download, and install it. The next one you want to download is Python. Okay, go to python.org, go to download, and just download the most recent version. After that, Node.js, download the most recent version. Perfect. Cursor. You want to sign up and then you want to download. It is free to trial, so you could get started right away. And then while you're at it, because you're already setting all this stuff up, we might as well set up everything else. So go to v0.dev, sign up. It's completely free as well. And then go to GitHub and sign up for this tool. Gives you the ability to save your code. If you had any issues with any of the downloads, my suggestion would be to just go onto ChatGPT and ask for some help. It should be a very straightforward process. Now that you have Cursor, I want you to go ahead and open it. You're going to land on a page that looks just like this, and I want you to open a folder. I'll go to my desktop, I'll create a new folder, we'll do test. Perfect, okay. And now I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can use Cursor and why people love it. So first is Command I. Okay, so we're on a blank page, no project has been started. So what I want to do with Command I is I'm opening up the composer, which gives it the ability to create files and to create my code. So what I want to ask here is I want a file that when I run it, it creates a print for hello world. Okay, so as you see over here, it went ahead and created a file called hello world. I just click accept. Let me run it to see if it works. All right, great, it works. It created hello world. Now, that was Composer. Now the next thing is if you hit Command K, it allows you to also use AI within the text. So what I want to do here is say, instead of hello world, I want it to say hello universe. Great, so I went ahead and edited it, but let's make it even a bit more complex. After printing hello universe, please ask me 3 questions about my fave foods. All right, I went ahead and created 3 questions. So now when I run the script, not only is it going to say hello universe, but it's going to ask me what is my favorite cuisine. I like all food. And then what's your favorite dessert? I like cake. What's your favorite comfort food? Lots of cake. Perfect. Okay, and now the third. So if you go over here and you click on Command L, it opens up a chat window on the right hand side where you could ask questions, and this one doesn't actually create files for you, but it does allow you to edit the code. So over here, I've just highlighted my code. I'm on hello world is my file here, and what I want to say is I want you to remove the extra questions. And as you see, it's not going to go ahead and edit them until it's done here. And then I hit apply. Boom. So now it only asks one question, no extra questions. Interesting. Okay, so now that you learned how to use Cursor's three main features with the composer, the inline editing, and the chat, I want to do something a little bit more complex. So now that you know that I really like eating cake, we're going to create a Next.js website project. So the way that we're going to do this is we're going to hit Command L, so back to the chat feature, and I'm going to say create a Next.js project called Cake Lover. All right, and just like ChatGPT, it's going to go ahead and give you advice. So in this scenario here, it just told me exactly what I need to type in to get that project started. So I'm going to go to terminal, new terminal. I'm going to paste that in. Just say yep. Okay, great. So once that's all set up, as you see over here on the left hand side, it created all of my files for me. None of this was AI. This was just a command in the terminal. So what I see over here is my next step is to click CD Cake Lover. So the folder is called Cake Lover. That's where my project is. So CD allows me to just go into that project. You hit run, perfect. And you see over here, it is now in the Cake Lover folder. Next is I want to hit npm run dev, which starts the code. So now I want to see if the code is working. And perfect. Okay, so this is a template. This is what you get when you start a brand new project. It shows that the project is working completely fine and all of your dependencies and the node that you just downloaded is working. So we want to go back here. The actual page that we're on, that template page, is right here. Okay, so what I want to do here is I want to delete everything from this template page. And as you see, if we go back to our code here, okay, it doesn't work because there's nothing on that page. So what I want to do is I want to add something. So Command K, so back to inline chat, create a simple hello universe message on this page in the center. Okay, great. Let's hit accept. As you see over here, it starts. Okay, and then I go back to my page and here it is. Hello universe. So now that we have that all set up, I want to show you something else. We're going to go to V0 dev. So this is the one that you just signed up for. V0 is a lot like ChatGPT, but it's very focused on creating like web components so that you can put it onto your website. So we're going to create a simple button that when clicked shoots confetti everywhere. The button should say Cake Lover. Okay, so just like ChatGPT, I gave it a basic instructions, and on the right hand side over here, it's creating a preview of what it's building. So it created this button that says Cake Lover. I'm gonna push that button and see, is there confetti? Yes, there's confetti. Okay, perfect. So now we're gonna get this button that we just built on V0 and put it into our code. The way we do that is we go to the top right corner, add to code base, copy that, go back into Cursor, okay, open up a new terminal. In here, CD Cake Lover, which is the folder that we have all of our files in. I'm going to paste that in. Okay, hit yes, 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 yes. Perfect. Okay, so as you see over here, a new folder has been created and is called the component folder. It's right here, and the confetti button that we just created is now in our project. So what I want to do here is I want to go back to my page, so the page that we are building, which is right here. It says hello universe. I want to delete all that, okay? And then I'm going to hit Command K, and I'm going to do confetti button. Let's add this button to this page. All done. All right, now let's go here. Perfect. Welcome to Cake Lover. I hit this button and kaboom. All right, done. Congratulations, you now know how to start building with AI. Your computer is completely ready. You have Cursor, you understand VO and how to get the components you build into your actual site. All of these examples were incredibly easy, but my goal for this video was really to get these tools in your hand and your computer prepared so you can actually start building whatever you like. If this type of content is interesting to you, please hit that like button and leave a comment about what I can do to make these tutorials even more helpful. If you want to learn how to build with AI, hit that subscribe button because you will love my next video. See you there.